Hello everyone, this is Windows Review here with the final version of Windows 7. The first thing you will notice about Windows 7 is the new taskbar. The new taskbar only uses icons for programs. You can pin programs to the taskbar simply by dragging them onto the taskbar. To launch the program, click it. You will now see that the difference between a running program and a non-running program is that a box appears around the running program, where a box does not appear around a non-running program. Windows 7 also has a new feature called Jump List. A jump list for Windows Explorer is the recent documents that you have opened. So in this case, it's my documents, pictures, music, videos, sample folder, Camtasia Studio, desktop, and network. Internet Explorer has tasks. Start in private browsing and open a new tab. Internet Explorer also shows history, but I have not used it yet. Another feature in Windows 7 is libraries. Libraries is a way to view all of your documents, pictures, music, and videos in one place. Documents library does not only consist of the My Documents folder, it will also consist of the Public Documents folder, but you'll be able to see it in one place. Windows search has also been improved. So if I search for the word list, I created a to-do list that I want to find. I found out that it's in My Documents sample folder. It's labeled to-do list. And then it even searches the content of the documents. The document itself says to-do list, pick up milk, eggs, and cheese. I could either double-click to open it or use the preview pane to view it. This is the actual document. It's the same thing as shown in Microsoft Word if I were to double-click this. You can also use the preview pane for viewing pictures and for even viewing videos. Another feature in Windows 7 is Arrow Shake. When you have your desktop cluttered with multiple windows open and you just want one window, you simply grab the window and shake it. Everything else is minimized and only that one window is shown. You want to restore everything? Simply shake it again. Another feature is Arrow Peek. Arrow Peek lets you view the content of a window without actually switching to it. So what we'll do is we'll hover over the Windows Explorer icon and we see two thumbnails for the two windows that we have open. I want to see this window right here. I want to see the content of it. So what I do is I hover over Windows Explorer and I go to the one that's not selected. And now I see what's in that window without actually switching to it. So now I want to go back to the one I want. I just move my mouse away and now I'm back to where I was. If I want to switch to the window, just click and now I'm switched. If I want to view my desktop background, I simply bring my mouse to the bottom right hand corner and every window on my screen turns transparent so I could view my desktop. Windows 7 also uses a new feature called Action Center. The Action Center is a place to view all of your messages, formerly known as Security Center. Here monitors your antivirus status, maintenance like backups, updates, and stuff like that. You can customize what notifications you are going to get from the Action Center. So if you don't want any notifications at all, you could simply uncheck everything, although it is highly not recommended. The notification area is also customizable. You can rearrange the icons into any particular order you want to. If you don't want an icon, you can simply throw it up. and you get rid of it. Any applications that put icons in the notification area or automatically in a little box, you yourself have to choose if you want it in the notification area by dragging it down. It's a nice way to keep the desktop simply clean. You still have gadgets in Windows 7 by right-clicking the desktop and clicking Gadgets. You then get the list of available gadgets. These are the default gadgets included with Windows 7. And you simply just drag it onto the desktop and you could start using your gadget. Personalization. You can personalize Windows 7 in many ways. By right-clicking the desktop, clicking Personalize, you can have a slideshow as your background, as you may notice I have right now. You can choose as many pictures as you like and choose the time interval you would like them to change in. You can also change the color of Aero Glass. You will notice though, as you change the color, the taskbar color also changes, unlike Windows Vista. Well, I should say it's more noticeable here than in Windows Vista. With Windows 7, you can share themes. To share a theme, right-click it, click Save Theme for sharing, choose your share location, your save location, name it. Windows will pack the file for you, and then you could use that file in an email attachment and send it to your friends for them to use on their computer. Windows 7 also has the ability to customize user account control. So to change user account control settings, we will open up the Start menu and search for UAC. We will see a window pop up that has 4 options. The top option will act like Windows Vista. It will notify you when you make changes to your programs, when programs make changes to your computer, and you make changes to Windows. The default setting will only notify you when programs try to make changes. The third setting will notify you only when programs make changes, but will not dim your desktop to a black fade. And the lowest setting is turn it off and will never notify you for anything. This is not recommended. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this review of Windows 7. These are not all the features of Windows 7, so please look back for a more feature-focused videos. And please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.